So the brand sent me this amazing pool alarm, and we are about to open up the pool and install the pool alarm and take a look at how it works. One thing about this pool area is that it does have a lot of woods in the backyard. So not only is this pool alarm going to be great for children or kids falling in the pool, but also any wildlife that may come up from the woods and venture its way towards the pool. This smart pool safety alarm is incredibly easy to set up. You just go ahead and hook it to the side of the pool via a suction cup, and when I tell you that suction cup is extremely strong. You can adjust the size of the string to fit the size of your pool, and then you would want to just put the floating sensor in the middle of your pool. It uses some really cool advanced electronic sensing technology to detect actual water entry while helping reduce false alarms from wind or normal water movement. So when someone or something enters the pool, the 85 decibel alarm sounds immediately, alerting you to potential danger. It comes with an app you can put on your phone, and this is what the app looks like when the alarm is actually going off, and you can actually control the sensor from the app, which is really cool. You can also monitor your system from this indoor receiver. It's really cool because you can put it on do not disturb, swim mode, different modes so that it's not just going off, and you can mount it to the wall or you can set it up on the kickstand.